Welcome to Chicken Dairies for June 27th, 2025. The ladies are having their dinner. Taking a little bit of effort to get them down here because they saw Kevin waiting and there's his ball there. So they saw Kevin waiting and they thought, nah, we're not going down there while he's waiting. Anyway, Red Baroness here has learned a new trick. That new trick is to actually go up the stairs and into the house. So she appears in our kitchen. Naughty chicken. Guess that's the new signal for give me my dinner. These chickens smell food from a while away, Doesn't matter if it's upstairs or downstairs. If it's around, they'll eat it. Right, girls? That's right. Hey, Kev. Don't scare the girls. Panther. How you eating? Good? Memphis Belle? Yes, Kevin, we know your commentary. And, of course, Red Baroness, who we were just talking about. So, yeah. They're all been largely behaved. Apart from Red Baroness getting into the kitchen. And, yeah, that's it. A good day overall. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time. Bye for now.